Get the Landroid mower out of the box and into the yard. Before you discard the box, there are two punch-out templates on the box top that are important for easy measuring and installing the boundary wire. Save those now. You get the manuals. If you have not read these already, please take time and work in the order and progress and safety of the manuals. Lift the mower out, set it aside. There'll be a large bag of pins or stakes. These are used to hold the boundary wire secure to the ground. There'll be a Worx 20-volt max lithium battery packed separately. There'll be a charger block with a wire that fits the charging base. Remove the spool of boundary wire. There's a small bag of base lags. These are used to secure the base to the ground. There's an Allen wrench included in the bag. The mower also comes with 9 replacement blades and screws to get you through the mowing season. This smaller bag of blades is in the large bag of lag screws. You will also see a tiny bag with a couple wire splicers. These are plastic with blue top. Carefully lift out the charging base. Do not force this out of the box. The stand and platform are one unit. Now it's time to find the base location and install it first. This will help you have a home base to work to as you start to lay your boundary wire.